Sandeep Ray is a sales consultant, corporate trainer, author of the book FMCG Sales Toolkit, and a motivational speaker.
Artificial intelligence is everywhere. You're reading about it, you're listening about it, and you've also started to use it at times in your work. Now, as a FMCG sales officer, working in the market with your SR, will you be able to use this AI effectively so that you get valuable insights from the market and give very specific direction to your SR? Will it not help you immensely if you can get some brand-wise analysis at the end of the day that these are the 30-40 outlets you have worked with, these are the 10 brands which are available in the market, this brand is available in so many stores, X brand is available in so many stores, Y brand so many stores, and this is the share of shelf of each and every brand. If you are able to calculate the share of shelf, if you are able to calculate the coverage of each and every brand during your market work, then you will be in a better position to give direction to your SR, and also you can use the data for many other purposes while planning your week, your month, and also give valuable insights to your company. Let us see how you can achieve this using AI. You can be a sales officer, an ASM or RSM. This particular thing will going to help you a lot because I have used it personally as a consultant when I went to the market and was able to give valuable inputs to my client. What you should do when you are in the market, you can take these photographs like the way I have taken. See, I have taken these photographs of the shelf. Now this is typically a hair care category shelf, or this is specifically all hair oils, mostly hair oils. Okay, so this is the hair oil category, and this is another photograph that I have taken of this same category in another store. So two stores, two different photographs I have taken. Now let us see what we can do with these photographs, how we can understand, can artificial intelligence give us the answer of share of shelf, brand presence, and all those stuff. Now to do that, first you open Gemini. So Gemini 3 has come up with some very cool features. You open Gemini, and then this particular fast thinking mode, you change it to thinking with 3 Pro. So this is the Gemini 3 that I am talking about. It has got some very cool features. I will show you how you can get the maximum benefit out of it. What you should do now, you have to add the photographs. Add the photographs. So these 2 photographs I have taken, I am just adding these 2 photographs over here. Okay, it's uploading. Now I will give it a very simple prompt. These are images of hair care products taken in 2 different stores. Please count the number of facings of each brand. Directly I am giving AI this prompt. Let's see what Gemini comes up with. So let's go. It's thinking. It will take some time because when you choose the fast mode, it will give an answer very fast. But when you choose the thinking mode, then it will think for a longer period of time so that it can reply with or come up with some specific and very useful data. So it will think for a longer period of time. Let us see what it comes up with. Okay, it has already started to come up with some information. Yes, based on the visual analysis of 2 images provided, here is the count of facings for each brand in each store. Facing refers to number of individual products unit visible at the very front of the shelf. So it has already defined what is facing, and now see it has given brand wise. So this is store number 1. So it has given the image reference store number 1. Parachute has got 23 facings. This is the dominant brand, and it has already given shelf number 2 10 facings. Then it has also given the SKUs, bottles and jugs. Shelf 4, Bajaj 4 facings, Dabur 6, Hair and Care 5, Nihar 6, like that. It has given the number of facings, which is excellent. Now this is store number 2. For store number 2 also it has given the number of facings for each and every brand. Now you can ask for consolidate the facings of 2 stores and give me one report in one table. Okay, so I'm just asking you to consolidate both the store data and give us one consolidated report. Let us see. Yes, now it comes up with more accurate and accurate information, but more detailed and more analytical information, where this is coming up with Parachute, which is store 1, the count of number of facings is 23, store 2 16, total 39. Dabur 14, both the stores put together 14. Like this, it has given all the brands and their facings, total number of facings. Now I can ask, it has also given some analysis. Now I can ask, calculate the share of shelf of each brand. Okay, let us see whether it can calculate the share of shelf. So it is analyzing the percentages and it has come up with some data. Yes, total facings counted 121, share of shelf analysis. So this is the percentage out of 121, 39, and like that it will give a share of shelf, which is a combined number for the entire market or the number of stores that you have visited. Like this, that you will get the share of shelf for each and every brand in your market. And also in the previous data, you will come to know which brand is present in how many stores. Like see, some of the brands like Patanjali, it is present in only one store. In the other store, it is not present. It can come up with certain other kind of some kind of wrong brands, and you have to check if it comes up with some wrong brands. Probably if it is not able to read the name of the brand properly. Two important things when you are actually doing this exercise. One, you should ensure that all the brands are properly faced towards the camera, or all the packs are properly faced towards the camera before you take the photograph, and your camera should also be very good. Normally all these smartphone cameras are these days very good. The only thing is that you have to just focus it properly and take a very good photograph. Rest of the things will be taken care of AI. So see, you have got this information. Now if you want to understand more, suppose you are from Imami and you want to know how can I improve the share of shelf of Imami. You can ask, how can I improve the share of shelf of Imami products? You can ask this information and let us see what it comes up with. So it will give you certain strategies also, how to optimize main shelf presence, primary placement, and it will talk about vertical brand blocking, targets the eye level, increase SKU facings. So all these things will be available. So you can get it store wise, you can get it for the entire market. It is a huge pool of information as well as guidance that you can get on the go. And the good point is this is absolutely free. So this is what I wanted to share with you, how to use artificial intelligence and improve your brand's performance in the market. Hope you like this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll be happy more videos. Thank you.